We are about 1,000 panels in on a 3,360 panel job.
I've only used S5s majority of the time on metal roofs, and it's the best product I've used for metal roof.
The Facet Mount product was chosen by our executive team for this project. The strength, the durability, the fact that it can be used on many different roof systems was part of the reason it was chosen. The feedback that I've been getting from the installers, they just love it. It's easy to install. The roofers, their flashings are easily applied, and it goes down quickly.
Facet Mount's been really great. They're easy to install, just a couple screws, couple bolts, easy to do in a couple minutes.
We 100% will be using this product in the future. It's a great product, easy to work with, easy to teach people how to do it. You know, it's basically just toss it down, put the screws, the right amount of screws, and it's good to go. If you ask me, it basically sells itself.
Just went online, you guys had YouTube videos of how to install it. You guys had pamphlets of what the part name was, what it looks like, and what roof style it even goes to.
Well, working with S5 has been excellent. They're so responsive, and any questions that we have, any orders that we have, they expedite. They're just a great company to work with.